our they are going to have form, meaning, function for unit tip because they look at the system. My objectives today, we are going to distinguish between countable nouns and uncountable numbers. And we are going to differentiate between some and any. And we are going to use some exhibitions of vocabulary like a few, many, little, much, etc. Let's start. First of all, I have this worksheet. It has many activities. The first activity from prior knowledge, prior learning. We have 2 questions from homework. If only I complete and give the opposite of fake. Now, first of all, you have 4 minutes. 4 minutes to do the first activity. Your answer here. Start. If only the same meaning of wish. Write your names, please. Right here, not here. Okay. Is there anyone has finished? Finished? How done? If only something like wish, you should write the past. Sure, you should write the past. Come on, use the past.
But teacher.
Okay, thank you. Another? Step by step, please. Step by step. Do the first activity, only the first activity. I can move to the another one. This is in the past. This is in the past. Sorry. This is in the past. Okay, now, what is the difference between countable and uncountable? For example, we have singular and plural. This is one pen, this is singular. And these are two pens, these are plural. And these are three pens, these are plural. So we have singular and we have plural. Singular and plural. These are countable. Countable, you can count 1, 2, 3, etc. Why, if I have rice or tea, okay, we don't have a or an or one, we count. This is a quantity. For example, you can have water. You can't say a water or an water. You can't say. We have sugar. This is quantity. This is uncountable now. And we have milk. This is uncountable now. In general, we have this chart. Tamim, be with here. Okay. We have countable now. We have singular and plural. Look at the singular, a girl, one girl, one more, ever. An ice cream, one ice cream. A newspaper, one newspaper. This is singular. While in a plural, we have something like boys, men from man, children from child, boxes from books. These are plural. So singular and plural are called countable. While uncountable or uncountable, we have liquids like milk, water, tea, coffee. We have solids like wood, glass, wool, cotton. We have gases like air, ozone, oxygen of course without this, atmosphere. And we have other words like information and money. Of course, paper and news, sometimes we have a news and sometimes we have a paper according to their meaning. So, this is how can I differentiate. If you can count, this is countable. If you can't count, this is non-countable. Let us move to the first application question. I want you to classify these, or classify egg, meat, milk, juice, sugar, apple. Write here these. Okay? Write either N or C. N for non-countable, C for countable. Write the word and write N or C. Start please, you have 4 minutes. Countable, you can count meat.
Meats? No.
2 meats, 3 meats, you can't count
Yes.
them? No, you can't.
Can't? Okay.
Meat is a quantity.
Okay.
Yeah. Juice, you can count juice. Juice is a liquid.
Okay.
This is non-countable.
All the liquid
Yeah,
uncountable?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So don't be hasty, don't be quick. Okay, thank you. Yes, Salam. Abdullah. You can count meat or milk or juice or sugar. You can't count them.
No, can't.
You can say 1 sugar, 2 sugars, 3 sugars. You can say. Please concentrate and focus. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you. I don't think juice is countable. Juice is not countable. According to American Navy, you can say, well, juice, you mean 1 bottle of juice or 1 jar of juice. Yes. Even coffee, you can say 1 coffee, but it is used as 1 cup of coffee, not coffee as a general. Okay, thank you. And finally, we have Eggs. Okay, thank you. Let's start here. We can see them later. We can see them later at the end of the lesson. Let me have, this is some, and this is any. I have here some and any. Some bread, some exercise. Some for both. Ibrahim, are you with me? Some for countable and non-countable. And any for countable and non-countable, but some for positive, and we have any for negative and the questions. We have any for negative and the question. Do you want some coffee? Okay. And what about some juice? And we have here. We have here examples. For example, read the example of the month.
There isn't any milk in the fridge.
This is any. Read the example.
There
In the negative here, we have here in the question.
is there any juice in the fridge?
And the fridge. So. And this, yes, Muslim.
Do you have any bins?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Alhamdulillah. This is our question. I want to go now to have the another formative assessment here. If you want the quantity of rice, what do you say? Write the question. Write the answer. If you want the quantity of rice or sugar or water, what do you say?
Okay.
Write the answer. You have the 3 minutes. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, I have what is thank you. Yes. I should see not with S man. I'm trying to give you up. Can you give me some rice? We don't know. Let's put the question mark. Okay. Picture.